Hey everybody, I am an award-winning photographer, creative director, and mentor to serious photographers all over the world. Today, I would like to talk to you about a quick post-production. I don't want to call it a trick, but it's something very simple, very quick, very effective for everybody to use. And I want to talk about this because when I was recently doing a whole lot of customer development interviews, I found myself coming back repeatedly to photographers' portfolios and speaking to them about their post-production, how if they just upped the game a tiny little bit, they would be in a different category of photographer. So here's one of the tricks. Okay, so all I want you to focus on is this one little tool over here, dehaze. Okay, it's in your tool palette under effects, texture, clarity, and dehaze. So if you watch the sky, when I take it out to 0, we are back to the standard. Yes, I've made a few small changes in terms of color, but the big secret over here is dehaze. People are apparently not using it, but if you want a quick way to give your sky some impact, there you go. And all it is create new mask and choose sky, and it automatically selects it for you, and then I dehaze it. Simple as.